When to know how to use the strategy, EIP for improvement in the Bitcoin market. The EIP, Ethereum Improvement Proposal, is a process used to suggest improvements and updates to the Ethereum blockchain. It is a design document that provides information to the Ethereum community or describes a new feature for the platform or its processes. Each EIP contains a detailed technical specification of the proposal and the motivation for the change. There are several types of EIPs. Basic EIPs, standard track EIPs. These proposals include changes to the protocol, changes to the contract environment, and/or changes that affect interoperability. Core, improvements affecting the Ethereum implementation. Networking, improvement that affects the network protocol. Interface, improvements to contract interfaces, e.g. token standards like ERC20. ERC, Ethereum Request for Comments, used to define smart contract standards, X. ERC 721 for NFTs. Meta EIPs, proposals that affect processes or changes outside of the Ethereum protocol itself. They include changes to the EIP process. Informational EIPs, these proposals provide general guidance or information for the community, but do not represent a new feature or process change. EIP creation and approval process. Idea, anyone in the Ethereum community can have an idea for an improvement. Outline, the idea is formalized in an EIP outline. Discussion, the draft is submitted to the community for discussion and refinement. This usually occurs on GitHub or community forums. Proposal, the proposal is finalized and officially submitted as an EIP. Review, the EIP is reviewed by editors, who check that it complies with guidelines and standards. Acceptance, if the EIP passes review, it is accepted and implemented, if it is a basic EIP, or adopted by the community, if it is an informational or meta EIP. Notable examples of EIPs. EIP 20, ERC 20, defines a standard for fungible tokens, which are interchangeable with each other. This standard is widely used to create new tokens on the Ethereum network. EIP 721, ERC 721, defines a standard for non-fungible tokens, NFTs, which are unique and non-interchangeable. EIP 1559, introduced a new fee structure for Ethereum transactions, aiming to improve fee predictability and reduce ETH inflation. Impact on the cryptocurrency market. EIPs have a significant impact on the cryptocurrency market as they can introduce new features, improve security, increase efficiency, and influence the adoption of Ethereum and its applications. Thank you, guys.